Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the find, replace, goto and goto special in your Microsoft Excel. Many of you will know how to use find and replace, but you may not know goto or goto special. Today I will learn you the goto special and you will also get benefit from it. For the purpose of find, you have to select from here find. So find window will appear. Now I want to find 100, then select on the 100 and select on find next. Here you will find that there is no 100. Suppose I am selecting 900, it will give you the result. Suppose I am selecting next, so my cursor will move to the next item. Suppose I am selecting find all, then it will list down where the particular item is appearing. Suppose I am selecting here from the option, I am selecting whole workbook, then it will find the particular data which you want to find in the whole workbook. I am right now keeping each as a sheet only, not going to the workbook. Suppose I want to replace anything in my data, so I go to find and select. From the home tab I will go to the find and select replace. Here I will select 100 instead of 900, and if I select replace, then only one cell is replaced. If I select replace all, then it will give you the message that Excel has completed its search, that is it has searched 900 and replace all 900 with the 100, that is it has made 4 replacement. So in this way you can use find and replace. Instead of going here, you can also use the shortcut Control F is the shortcut for the purpose of find, and from here you can activate your replace tab. Further, Control H is the shortcut for the purpose of replace. So Control F is for find and Control H is for a replace. Control F is for find and Control H is for replace. Suppose if you go to the particular cell, then from the find and select, here you have to select go to. Suppose if you want to select C1, and if you want to go for the C1 cell, then write here C1 and press OK. Your cursor will move to the C1 cell. So go to is useful to go to the particular cell. Suppose if you want to use shortcut, then Control plus G is the shortcut for the purpose of go to. Suppose if you want to use go to special, then suppose I am selecting this data and I want to use go to special, then select from find and select. Here you have to go to special. If I want to select all blank, then select on the blank and press OK. So all my blank cell will be selected. Suppose I want to press 0 in all my blank row, then write here 0 and press Control Enter. Press Control Enter. In all your blank cell, 0 will be put up. So in this way you can use the go to special. Suppose if you want to select suppose I have selected this data. Suppose I am replacing 0 with the blank and I am replacing all 0. So all my 0 will be replaced. Now I am going to the go to special. From the go to special, suppose I am selecting the blank. So all my blank cell will be selected. Now suppose I want to do the entry for my up cell. So I am just selecting plus and selecting this up cell and pressing Control plus Enter. You will find in all my blank row the entry for my upper cell will appear. Suppose this is the blank cell, then entry for A4 is appear. Suppose this is the blank cell, entry for this upper cell will appear. Suppose from the go to special, if you want to find the formula, then just go to special, select here formula and press OK. It will give you the active cell where the formula is appearing. Suppose I am pressing Control Z. So here now the formula is only this cell, and suppose I want to go to special, and I want to find out the formula, then I just select the formula. You will find out that only this cell is having formula, this cell does not have the formula. So in this way you can use the GoToPastial. And what is the shortcut for GoToPastial? Control plus G is the shortcut for GoTo, and after going to GoTo, just press Alter plus S. Alter plus S is the shortcut for the purpose of GoToPastial. Here you can select any of the item as per the requirement, and you can do the analyze as per your need. Thank you.